Hello students, this is Narpaleli 77 logs. In this log, I am going to discuss a few biology related classes, particularly zoology. Of course, I want to touch this class basics as well as a deep study. Under this one, I would like to explain a small topic regarding pancreas, how it works both exocrine and endocrine. So, my concept is to explain the primary or the basic functional aspect of pancreas. Let's discuss now pancreas. So, pancreas is the second largest gland. Second largest gland. Where is the pancreas located? This one is located at duodenum. Duodenum is the proximal part of our small intestine. What is the shape of duodenum? U-shaped one. At the limbs of duodenum, pancreas is located. Pancreas that has a function in the process of digestion as well as hormonal control. What is another word for pancreas? Two more words I have known. They are pancreas is mixed gland as well as heterocrine gland. You see the words pancreas, it is mixed and also heterocrine gland. See, this one is also known as mixed gland or heterocrine gland. Right? Pancreas is a mixed gland. Of course, it is mixed with the two portions of tissues, exocrine portion, endocrine portion. Why is another word also given for that? Heterocrine gland. Heterocrine gland, say hetero means different. Different composition of the tissues we observe in the gland pancreas. Pancreas is a vital gland, particularly involves in the process of digestion and also the regulation of sugar levels by secreting of glucagon, insulin like hormones. Let's discuss regarding that function, particularly how does it act as mixed gland or heterocrine gland. Right. It is a mixed gland or heterocrine gland. I said heterocrine gland because it is composed of two kinds of tissues. Already I have mentioned. What are they? Tell me. Exocrine portion. What is that? Exocrine portion and endocrine portion. Two parts are there, exocrine and endocrine portions. Exocrine portion, that is about a major portion, about 98 to 99% of the gland. The rest of endocrine portion, of course, 1 to 2%. Exocrine portion has the cells known as acinal cells. Also, we write like acini. What is that? Acinus singular, acini plural. It's a cluster of cells. Exocrine portion that consists of acini. Let's discuss now exocrine portion in detail. Exocrine portion. Afterwards, I will discuss endocrine portion of the pancreas. Take this one. Exocrine portion. Exocrine portion. Exocrine portion. This one consists of the cells, the form of clusters. In the form of clusters, we see in the pancreas, likewise, a cluster of cells. All they are acinal cells, or say acinal cells. Acinal cells, so they secrete a group of enzymes and also secrete bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonates, and that forms a pancreatic juice. So, acinal cells of exocrine part or exocrine portion secrete pancreatic juice. So, acinal cells secrete pancreatic juice. What does pancreatic juice contain? See here, exocrine portion, particularly that is composed of acinal cells, that secretes pancreatic juice. Acini. What do they secrete? Pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice. What does this juice contain? This juice consists of pH also. Let's see that pH. pH of pancreatic juice is 8.4. It is slightly somewhat alkaline pH. See, 8.4. Pancreatic juice that consists of sodium bicarbonates, and enzymes. The list of enzymes, see here: protein digesting enzymes, protein digesting enzymes, protein digesting enzymes, right? Carbohydrate digesting enzymes, fat, lipid, digesting enzymes, right? And also nucleic acid, digesting enzymes. So here, in this way, pancreas is associated with the digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, etc. Let's give the list of protein digesting enzymes. Protein digesting enzymes. Just take it out as a screenshot. Say protein digesting enzymes, nucleic acid digesting enzymes, lipid digesting enzymes, carbohydrate digesting enzyme. First of all, protein digesting enzymes. That they are carboxy peptidases, chymotrypsinogen, trypsinogen. See here, protein digesting enzymes, carboxypeptidases, chymotrypsinogen, trypsinogen. They are inactive enzymes. Anyhow, these enzymes are involved in the digestion of proteins. I don't want to take the deep study of protein digestion here. What my aim is now, I have to prove that pancreas is a mixed gland or say, what do you call that, heterocrine gland. Next, lipid digesting enzyme, lipid or fat digesting enzyme. It is simply termed as steatocene. What is that? Steatocene. Lipid digesting enzyme, that is steatocene. Next, carbohydrate digesting enzyme. Carbohydrate digesting enzyme. Okay, carbohydrate digesting enzyme is pancreatic amylase. Steatocene, of course, it is a pancreatic lipase. Okay, so carbohydrate digesting enzyme, pancreatic amylase. Why is the word mentioned? Already salivary amylase, hyaline is there, hence. to differentiate or deviate from that. Here what is added? Prefix. Pancreatic amylase. Pancreatic amylase. Next, nucleic acid digesting enzymes. Nucleic acid digesting enzymes. Digesting enzymes. Tell me, what are the nucleic acids here? What are the examples of nucleic acids? DNA and also RNA. Hence, the enzymes also given the name based on DNA, RNA. So, nucleic acid digesting enzymes are DNAs, RNAs. DNAs and RNAs. Collectively known as nucleases. Collectively or combinedly known as nucleases, right? So the list of enzymes have been discussed here. See, protein digesting enzymes, carbohydrate digesting enzymes, lipid or fat digesting enzymes, nucleic acid digesting enzymes. Tell me now, what were the examples mentioned here for protein digestion? Protein digesting enzymes, tell me. Carboxypeptidases, chymotrypsinogen, trypsinogen, etc. What is a carbohydrate digesting enzyme? Tell me. Pancreatic amylase. What is a lipid digesting enzyme? Tell me. Answer to my question. What is that? Steapsin, also known as pancreatic lipase. Pancreatic lipase, right? And what about the enzymes which act on or which digest nucleic acids? DNAs and RNAs. They are combinedly known as, what are they? Nucleases. Okay? Have you known that? The list of enzymes present in the pancreatic juice. Right? So, here exocrine part that consists of cluster of cells, acini. The cells are known as acinar cells. They secrete pancreatic juice. What is the pH of pancreatic juice? 8.4. It's a alkaline or basic pH. Okay. This pancreatic juice consists of sodium bicarbonates, some enzymes. I have just mentioned that. What about endocrine part of pancreas? What is the function of endocrine part? Do you know that? The endocrine part actually secretes hormones. Okay, let's discuss the functional role of endocrine part of pancreas. Endocrine part. This one consists of a cluster of cells. Cluster of cells known as islets of Langerhans. What are they? Not islets, they are islets. Islets of Langerhans. Right. Cluster of cells. They are cluster, group of cells. Cluster of cells. Islets of Langerhans. Why the word is given? These were discovered by Dr. Paul Langerhans. Is that discovered by Paul Langerhans. Paul Langerhans. As the name was given likewise, Langerhans, islets of Langerhans. So islets of Langerhans, cluster of cells. 4 kinds of cells are present in islets of Langerhans. See here, islets of Langerhans consists of 4 kinds of cells. How many kinds? 4 kinds of cells. See here, number 1, alpha cells. Alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells, and PP cells or F prime cells. Anyway, here see PP cells, pancreatic polypeptide cells, alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells, PP cells or pancreatic cells. But here, particularly alpha cells, beta cells, they are important cells present in islets of Langerhans. What are the secrete enzymes? Let's discuss later. Alpha cells, they secrete hormone glucagon. What is that? Glucagon, say hormones. Beta cells secrete insulin. Delta cells secrete somatostatin. PP cells, they secrete pancreatic polypeptide. Right. So glucagon, insulin, somatostatin, pancreatic polypeptide. See here, islets of Langerhans. Who discovered islets of Langerhans? Paul Langerhans. They are the cluster of cells. They are present in the endocrine part of pancreas. Here, islets of Langerhans has 4 kinds of cells. What are they? Alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells, and pancreatic polypeptide cells, PP cells. Alpha cells, they secrete hormone. What is that? Hormone, glucagon. What is that? A hormone, glucagon. So alpha cells secrete glucagon, beta cells secrete insulin, delta cells secrete somatostatin, and PP cells secrete pancreatic polypeptide. Right? Next video, I will explain the functioning of glucagon, insulin, somatostatin, pancreatic polypeptide. Thank you. Have a nice day.